We done got ourselves in a predicament right here, fellas. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. Appreciate it. Thank you. We done got ourselves straight done in a predicament. Cart is probably soaked already. The hash slinging slasher mouth. Hi. Thank you. Have a great night. We done got ourselves straight down in a predicament here. Alright guys, enjoy the ride. Thank you all for being here. Disney Magic and Mayhem. Consider subscribing. Smash the like button. Enjoy Tiana's Bayou adventure. I am, Matthew. I am. We can maybe see it from here. Y'all come back down here. Oh, look how beautiful.
Talking about musicians. Man, it's hard to find a band in the dark.
Oh, wow. All the stuff is metal. Look at that sunset.
Tell the people not to told you so. Mama done told you so. Come on back there, Heath.
Oh! Oh my word. Okay, I think we might be all right back here, guys. You will be splashed here.
Tiana wasn't cute, y'all. This nautical band she found can play. Hallelujah!
We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Are you kidding me? That's terrible. more cowbell. We need more cowbell.
I'm asking all of them to play at the park, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Our little friends below are doing big things.
Where did our friends go?
They vanished.
We have to find them.
This joint is hopping.
These tiny musicians you found really bring the heat.
Get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make at the park.
Alright guys, so I think when I go down the big splash here, I think I'm just gonna put the phone down underneath to cover it up, and I'm gonna maybe do like the, you know, the hat or something, you know, just like, we're gonna be alright though. It'll be fine, you guys will be fine. They could probably have done better on this effect here.
You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. I know what
Alright. Oh, neutral one. Oh no. Alright, well, how did that, are we okay? Yee, I got my glasses a little. It's like glasses. We're okay, I didn't even think to remove them. I didn't even get any on the lens, so we're okay. 114 likes. That was awesome. It was awesome. My gimbal had a great time at it, but we're alright. In 11 minutes until parade starts down Main Street. Oh my goodness, we are almost there, guys. Good, Richard, great timing. Yeah. I'm gonna have to clean my glasses. I'm gonna have to. Oh. So we'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. Sky looks amazing. It was amazing up there. It was amazing up there. Oh, as long as you're ready to complain about me being wet for the rest of the day, it's fine by me.
Wasting my time, doubting what's inside.
We got it, Joel. We got it.
See you. Tiana sure knows how to make a party special.
Trying to get to 350 tonight, guys. 350. Subscribers away from 350. Let's go. 350. 350. Time to get our ka-chow. I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try. It's on my first thing on my list.